Alright guys, we have tornado warnings now. Really starting to come down. Yeah, I'm gonna get in the car before we get. Holy guys, this is not good. We're sitting in a storm. Oh my god. Hey guys, so today is the day I've been waiting for all year. Or all winter, I guess. We're getting the boat out, getting it ready for the summer. My house, 30-year-old boat. Don't look like it, but it is. Really nice, fun boat though. To give y'all an idea how long it is, these little things are about a foot apart. And I'm about, I don't know how many feet down. I think this thing's about a 20-footer. We put this on last year for a trolling motor. This is for fishing and stuff. And we do quite a bit of fishing. You got it? Roll that up. And we put it in this this room over here.
Hey, I'm thinking, doesn't it float up and just float up and go into the thing with the tent?
I don't know if there's bees in here, so.
No.
Alright.
There's not, I was just in here.
This here's the storage. It's actually a bathroom as well.
Bathroom.
Yeah, it's a bathroom. Full opening door. You can crawl down in there. It's actually a lot bigger and deeper than it looks. It's really cool. We got the garment up here. We got
fold this thing up and
more storage in here. Shit, we got a battery in there.
Okay. That is folded up.
That is.
Okay.
And then back here, to open this, you have to open this. This is the back door to get on the back part of the boat, on the back transom. All right. All right, guys, I'm not seeing any bees. There she is, 5.7 V8. She should be ready to go. We'll probably check the oil and stuff like that. I'm gonna see if the battery's got any charge to it. This right here is the battery shut off. Looks like that is turned on. Got power, good battery power, so she should fire up when we get down here. I've been fishing since I was a kid, and one of the big things I love to do is cast net. Yeah. This is the big net right here. I'm not gonna pull it all out, but y'all can see how long that is. That's my baby. Hang on one second, man. I don't know if it's down all the way. So this is the moment of truth here. Let me know when and I'll try to fire it up. This here is the old battery tester. This will tell us what the voltages are reading and stuff.
What do you got for voltage? Caleb, give it a little gas. It needs to be at 13 or better. Give it a little gas. What's it right now?
It got up to almost 14. 13.5 is as high as it's getting.
Okay, so it's charging. Okay. Is there any leaks?
Yeah, but it's only when we winterize the escalator, we just didn't tighten the clamp all the way down. Right there on that front hose, that's the only leak I see. It's right there on the front where I probably just didn't tighten it down.
Yeah. Turn the water off. We're done running it. Okay, we need to grease it. Check all the oil levels. Clean it up. There's a bunch of grease fittings on the, you got 2 here, right?
Where?
2 here, 1 here, 1 there. Okay. You got 1 here. You can put all this up, okay?
Okay.
Got 1 there, okay? And then we come over here. You got the 1 there. And there's another one somewhere.
Oh yeah, I see. I think on the back. No, not that.
You may have to have him bring it up too, but get that hose off him. Check the engine oil, the power steering pump, all the trim levels, and grease all this. Grease the axles, and then we're going to clean it up.
Alright, what's going on, guys? So we're interrupting the video today to tell you about our newest giveaway, which is this 8-tool combo kit, 18-volt Ryobi set. And it comes with everything in here. This is over $1,200 value if you were to buy it all separate. And the giveaway is completely free to enter. All you got to do is subscribe to our channel and comment down below on any video from March 1st until May 31st. And then the winner will be announced on June 7th. Also, there's a link down below to our merch, so if y'all want some of that, then go get you some. It's real comfortable and real warm. So good day, good luck, and God bless, and back to the video.
Got half the boat done, as you can tell. This side hasn't been touched. It's disgusting. All this crap will come off with the pressure washer. But she runs good. And this is the side. This is the side that runs good. What the? Bro, where is that? That's making me mad now because we haven't brushed up against it or nothing. Like and subscribe, and I'm sure this will get dropped into a video that's further, so this probably won't even be the end of this video, but yep, stay tuned for the second part of the boat cleaning. What's up, guys? So today we're going to put the boat in the water for the summer. Way off in the distance over there is the Smoky Mountains, and where we're going, I don't know if I can get it on here. I'm too good. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Where we're going is way over there. So sky looks pretty clear over there. It looks like most of it's moving that way. We're going that way. This is what the clouds look like now. I don't even know if you can tell it's as close as it is. It's better to the camera. But we're about to go across this little bridge here. It's a tight bridge, so. And here we go. Of course, there's an 18-wheeler or something coming through here. Yeah, for real. We usually don't mic anything up, but that's a nice 6.0 right there. And here we go, taking up 2 lanes. So unfortunately, that's how wide this boat is. It's a very, very, very tight fit.
I'm on the yellow line and the white line, and I'm in the
Yeah, for real. This is how close we are to the white line. We have tornado warnings now. So it's obviously not the best weather to be putting the boat in. So we can get the boat in the water and get it over there. That's all we need to do right now. This is the hail that's coming down right now. That's hail, not gravity.
I don't know if you guys saw that, but a piece of hail just came down. It was like this big around, and it smacked a buggy and shattered. Probably would have knocked somebody out.
Lord protect us. Guys, if we get a tornado on the GoPro footage.
We got into the house or something?
I don't know what he's doing. Guys, I hate thunderstorms. Tell you a story. I broke up with this girl one time and I was on my way to take her home. And we don't need to be by this. Commented, we don't need to be right here. You don't want to be beside that. I wouldn't sit beside that telephone pole, man. Let's pull up here away from that telephone pole or something. This is not good.
Let's just stay here for a little bit.
We're gonna sit here so we get my instructions. It's heavier than your car.
Hold on.
I don't know. Caleb got a warning on his phone that said 80-mile-an-hour winds.
We can't do anything.
I can't do anything. Damn.
Look at the size of the hail. Lord, please protect us.
Let's get down.
Alright guys, we're videoing once again, so we're sitting in a storm. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're putting everything at the windows. I've never been in a situation like this, but I would think put everything at the windows to protect yourself from the window caving in. Hope my chickens at home are okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, at all the hail. Oh my goodness. Good lord, it's the size of this hail, guys. That's all hail on the ground that you're seeing. Oh my goodness. Wild. Really, really not good. Look at all that hail on the ground, dude. Guys, this is not the GoPro footage we were expecting to gather today. Most of the boat's still intact. I can't even see out our windows. Yeah, the boat's good, no trees on it or nothing. Just the GoPro screen.
Try to get to the house.
Alright. Roll the way down, roll the way down.
Our house.
Okay. Apparently that was the small storm. There's supposed to be 2 bigger ones coming, so lightning strike it.
Alright guys. Drop down in the comments some of the craziest situations you guys have ever wound up in. Look at all the water coming across the road right here, guys. Oh god. Somebody hits that coming down this hill real too fast and they're going straight ahead. Alright guys, so trying to put the boat in the water again today.
Alright, Caleb's backing us up. This is the marina that we were docking at. Big bridge right there.